Hello guys! It is episode 3 of Euphoria season 2 makeup looks. So I did Miss Maddie Perez, her beautiful straight double wing that she had going on. I also did the hair for you guys. Now this is not exactly what she did with the sideburns, but it's okay. And I did some glossy lip. And in this one I did not talk about Euphoria at all because I didn't want to give any spoilers. Also, I was stressed out because my neighbors will not stop mowing their lawn and my family is super loud. So I'm not like talking about Euphoria. So if you haven't seen the new episode or any of the new season, there's no spoilers in this one. But this is the makeup and I absolutely love it. I love the straight liner that they've been putting on Maddie. I think it looks so good and complements her eyes beautifully. So if you want to see how I got this, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm starting out with just my foundation on. Now my neighbor's dog has not stopped barking and also they're doing the lawn. I'm guessing the dog doesn't like when they do the lawn, but it has not stopped for the last hour and the sun's about to go down, so I don't want to keep putting this off. So I'm just going to start with the eye makeup. Actually, I'm going to start with the hair. So I have very short hair, so this is going to be a lot harder for me than it is for most people, but we're going to do this. I have much longer sideburns than her. Okay, so I'm leaving out this hair for the sideburns and then all of the rest of this I'm going to be putting back. And I'm going to sleek it and make it nice and smooth in a second. I have a little hair tie right here. Now since I have really short hair, these pieces here are starting to come out, so I'm just going to smooth it down and take a clip and I'm gonna pin it. Now Maddie does wear clips like these a lot, so honestly if like you're wearing an outfit or something, you can match it to the outfit. I do that sometimes just to match my clips to the outfit. And I have all of these little baby hairs that we are gonna take care of in a second. But for now we're just gonna leave my hair like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I'm going to use the shade Tempura. Okay, so hopefully some background noise will be reduced, but my nephew's playing out there and you know what, he's having a good time, so we're not going to bother him. So I'm going to go ahead and put some Dusty Rose on my lower lash line just because I like how that looks. I look like I haven't slept, but I like it. It's a vibe. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the eyeliner, which is basically the main part of this whole thing. So her eyeliner is like straight to the side. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's just like straight out. So I'm going to try to put on the eyeliner looking down, so I just kind of create like a line going out. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and look at her eyeliner like in a photo, because. So I'm just going to go ahead and start this line. So there it is. That's like the base of it. Obviously that's not it, but just the base of the line. So those are the base of the lines. As you can see, it kind of goes like more straight out. Donnie Davy just posted a tutorial on how to do the eyeliner, so you can go to refer to hers because she is the actual artist of Euphoria. But I'm just gonna keep going with what I am doing. Alright, so I have those two little wings and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my inner corner liner. This isn't what Donnie Davy did at all, but I kinda wanna do it. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. I'm gonna take Sienna, yeah. And I'm gonna go from the inner corner and mimic a line coming down like that. Okay, we're gonna blend that out now. I'm just gonna go with my blending brush and blend that into the eyeshadow I put on the lower lashes. The lighting is absolutely horrible, but don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyelash primer on. And then we're gonna put on our mascara. And then I'm gonna see what I want to do because I'm not feeling it 100%, but I will feel it. I'm gonna make myself feel this look. No one can do it like Miss Donnie Davy. I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, so I think that is as good as it's going to get. I kind of just added some powder underneath my eyes to brighten up that area. Now, because I look flat, I'm gonna go ahead and take some blush. I'm just gonna add it in this part of my cheeks. And now I'm gonna contour my lips a bit with my NARS Laguna bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hairspray. I'm using the L'Oreal Elnet or whatever that's called. And I'm gonna go through my eyebrows just a little bit because they don't really do too much to the eyebrows on that show. Perfect, just like that. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the same brush and just like manage all of these hairs. And now for this, I don't know what I should do. I think I'm gonna just curl these hairs because she got some tiny baby hairs if they're like this. I have tiny ones up here, but like these are, I guess I don't have like sideburn baby. I mean I have sideburns. But I guess I don't have like baby hair sideburns. I guess I cut theirs because like hers is like this. Should I just cut mine? No, I don't want to look stupid at work. Okay, so I just curled those pieces. They look cute from like the side, like, oh, who am I? You know? Okay, so now I have a bunch of these nude lip liners and I'm just gonna start going ham. I'm gonna make my lips look more juicy, more plump. So I'm just gonna be like overlining a tad bit. Probably more than a tad because I got some tiny lips. So for lip gloss, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Item Beauty lip gloss in the shade In a Jam. It's purple. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.